We're given x over 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. The first thing we're going to do is subtract both sides by 10. So look at x over 5 equals 15 minus 10, which is 5. And so multiply both sides by 5 to get 25. Next, we have 1/2 x plus 15 equals 9. I'm going to subtract both sides by 15. I'm left with 1/2 x. 9 minus 15 is negative 6. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. Get x is equal to negative 12. Three-fourths x minus 3 is equal to 9. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I have 3/4 x equals 9 plus 3, which is 12. Now I want to get x by itself, so I have to multiply by the reciprocal. So in other words, I have to flip the 3 and the 4 to get 4/3. And so what I do on one side, I do to the other. We can pretend this is over 1. So these are going to cancel. I'm left with x equals, now 12 and 3 we can simplify to 4 and 1. And so we have 4 times 4 is 16. And that's over 1. Next, I have 16 minus 3/2 x equals 40. I'm going to subtract both sides by 16. 16s are going to cancel. I'm left with negative 3/2 x. 40 minus 16 is 24. I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of negative 3/2, which is negative 2/3. Again, the reciprocal being the flipping the negative 3/2. These are going to cancel. I'm left with x equals, now 24 over 3 we can simplify to 8 and 1. So 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. And again, that's over 1. Okay, next we have x over 2 minus 7 is equal to 10. I'm going to add both sides by 7. We get x over 2 is equal to 17. Multiply both sides by 2. We get x equals 34. Okay. Let's look at 3/5 x plus 21 is equal to 27. I'm going to subtract both sides by 21. The 21s are going to cancel. I'm left with 3/5 x. 27 minus 21 is 6. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 3/5, which is 5/3. The 6, we can have a 1 in the bottom. Those are going to cancel. And then we have 6 over 3 simplifies to 2 over 1. So that's 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 is the answer. Next one. We have 4/9 w equals negative 10. I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 4/9, which is 9 over 4. The 4/9 and 9/4 are going to cancel. We're left with w. I can simplify the 10 over 4 as 5 and 2. And I'm going to put a 1 here. Negative 5 times 9 is negative 45. 2 times 1 is 2. So this is w.